today I'm gonna be doing a little mini Q&A, and I'm gonna do that while I do my makeup. I actually have so much, actually not so much, but I have like different shades of reds because I am wearing like a little red like romper, like a little tank top, not tank top, but a romper. It's so cute. And it matches like my headband, so yes, I have clothes on. So yeah. Okay, so the first question is, do you have kids? No, I do not have kids. Maybe one day, but right now I'm not really trying to go for that. Yeah, no. This is probably gonna be hard to multitask answering questions while I do the makeup, because really and truly, ooh, I put a lot on. I put a lot on, oh no. Really and truly, I think I have to wipe some of this makeup, some of this sunscreen off. I was kind of using it as a primer, but like I said, like, it's kind of hard for me to talk while I do my makeup. I'm just gonna take some of this off, so I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so the next question was, how old am I? I am 27. It's so hard for me to talk and do my makeup, but what's your favorite type of music? I would say my favorite type of music is, I kind of like Disney music. I know that's weird, and like R&B and hip hop. Anything that's like 90s, I kind of gravitate to. And some of the new music, honestly, I don't really know like the new rappers musics or who's like new, because honestly some of the music's not really good for your ears, but of course you hear it on TikTok and it's kind of trendy and catchy. So yeah, I don't really know too much of the new music. So yeah, that answers the question. What's your zodiac sign? My zodiac sign is a Virgo, just like Zendaya, Beyonce. Virgos are calm, cool, and collective, and we do like to work. Yeah, that's really what my zodiac sign is. What's your ethnicity? My parents are from Jamaica, and I was born in USA, Florida. So that clears it all. I always get told like I'm from like they think that I'm from like Haiti or the Dominican Republic, which is fine. I love those places. And yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna use a little concealer. Let's see. I'm sorry if I'm looking up, guys. I kind of have a mirror here, and I want to make sure that I'm doing this at least like nice. So I know I'm just going to the movies, and it's like I'm tired of like looking like, you know, not super duper cute. If you get what I mean, like I want to be dolled up sometimes. So is it me, or like do you guys make like goofy weird faces when you do your makeup? Like, that's just me. Like, I feel like I make weird faces when I do my makeup. But yeah, guys, I'm trying. During the week, like I said before, it's kind of hard for me to be active, just because I have like a little mini job, so Of course, I can't give you guys like vlogs like every single day like I was before. That's because I had more free time. But you know, I'm trying. I'm really trying for you guys. Yo, I cannot see what I'm doing. Like, I cannot see at all. Oh, by the way, I'm watching Everybody Hates Chris in the, well, it's playing in the back, I should say. We're using this little brush right here, and we're just gonna dip and dabble, and we're just gonna brush it and remove the excess off. Yo, I think I only have an hour for the movies, so I'm gonna try to finish these questions. So let's see what the next question is. What's your clothing style? So my clothing style is very simple and easy. I like wearing rompers, stuff that's very flowy, shorts, like very soft clothes, like how do I say? Yo, my brain is like, ugh. Like sweats, yeah, just like stuff that's very light and comfortable. Honestly, anything I'll wear that's very comfortable, like big t-shirts, anything that's just not super duper tight. I do like dresses. I do like yeah, I think that's about it really. Sorry guys, I'm like, yeah, I cannot do my makeup as fast, but that's okay. Y'all, I'm just, yo, I think I messed this up, guys. Okay, so the next question is, do you wear makeup? I only wear makeup on occasions. I don't wear it every day. Yeah, I don't wear it every day. Sometimes I just don't feel like it. In the past, I kind of used to do it every day for work or every other day, but I don't know, like, I'm just, like, the makeup era is not as, like, how I used to be with, like used to, I used to be really, really into it, but I'm trying to get back into it a little bit. I don't know. By the way, I'm using these. I'm trying to get back into it. The only way for it to be like perfect, well, I wouldn't say perfect, but the only way for it to look good again is for me to like practice again doing it. So yeah, just about that. So I don't wear makeup. I only usually wear it on like actual occasions. You guys are probably like, why didn't you use a beauty blender? Honestly, because I'm in a rush and I kind of want to just put it on. Beauty blender takes a while for me to actually like do. Y'all, I tried to finish the eyebrows off camera because it wasn't looking right and it's still looking a little dull, but it's okay. It's just gonna be a natural look tonight. A natural look tonight. Yeah, I think I should buy vegan makeup. The one I seen is expensive, but I think it will do good for me because I feel like I'm low-key allergic to the Fit Me products. Yeah. Now I think I need to do these. This might be a little dark. I don't know. I think this is a little too dark because honestly, my shade changes during the summer and winter. So it's like, I don't even be knowing my shade anymore. But it's okay. But this is what I kind of use. I'm gonna go back in with this one. Makeup for darker skin, brown skin. Yeah. Okay, guys. So here. You guys notice how I don't leave it on because I don't want to have a white cast. So try to blend it as much as you guys can. Let me hurry up and do this makeup. So I need eyeshadow, I need mascara and lip gloss or something. Okay, I'm gonna use this palette by Makeup by Yolando. It's a nude palette, church girl palette. Has these. Let's see. I'm gonna go in with this shade. I know my makeup kind of looks a little like dull right now, but it's okay because I'm gonna fix it. Your girl is gonna fix it. I hope this light gives me justice. I don't know.
They were serious dumpsters, I want to tell you. They were serious.
probably use this color. By the way, this eyeshadow brand is a Jamaican brand. If I could find the link, I'll link it down below. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put mascara on now because all of these. I don't know, y'all. I feel like it's too bright. Now I'm gonna do this. Lip oil. Okay, you guys, so I had went ahead and finished my makeup off camera just because the eyebrows wasn't giving before and I kind of really wanted to look really nice, so I just went ahead and did it. I promise you guys I'll try to do another one, but you guys kind of already seen the process of me doing it before. So the next question is, what's your personality like? I'm very bubbly. I could also be shy if I don't know you. And yeah, I'm just very goofy, funny. Yeah, I'm just really calm and collected. I like to have fun and go to places, so yeah. Okay, the next question is, do you like shopping? Yes, I do like shopping, but the thing is, I have to be prepared for me to shop that particular day, otherwise I won't like it. Yeah, I need to have a list of like what I'm gonna buy, otherwise I'll be standing in one store for like an hour and I don't like that. So yeah, but I would say I do like shopping. Do you like traveling? Yes. I want to travel more, obviously, when my income becomes established. What do you like to do for fun? Like I said, I like to go to the beach, movies, parks, roller skating for sure. I like drawing and getting girly things done, like waxing and getting eyebrows done, hair done, nails done. I like listening to music, and for sure I do like singing. Um, did you go to school in Jamaica? No, I did not go to school in Jamaica. I was born and raised in Florida, unfortunately. So I'm 27, and all my years I kind of wish I would have had that experience though, to kind of know like different culture. Um, so yeah. It says goals for 2025. Goals for 2025, just to keep posting more, um, and also, yeah, just for better income, and for my YouTube channel to grow. I'm trying my hardest to post like what I can. Um, so yeah. I don't think this light does me justice, but I'll try to take a picture in the light or a full body picture. I'm not sure. So, let's see. Um, so yeah, that was kind of the updated questions of 2024, and yeah, guys, thank you for subscribing, liking, and commenting, and make sure to share this video. And I'll try to leave links down below of like the makeup that I use if I could find them. In my previous video, I kind of went to Macy's and showed you guys like the makeup that I had got. So yeah, I love you guys. Bye.